Hello everyone, myself Anjali by RS from first year Artificial Intelligence and Data Science branch. Today my topic is about Nari Suraksha app. An app called Nari Suraksha which enhances the safety measurements of a woman at all circumstances and also guides her to escape from being victim from several threatening events. This app is designed in the form of a ring. It is an advanced safety app that involves IoT, which means Internet of Things, sensors, Z-Wave technology, and nanotechnology to provide unparalleled personal safety and security. This app mainly focuses on real time threat detection, rapid response, and user personal credentials based on emergency situations. Nanotechnology sensors embedded in this ring can detect threat through chemical threats, air quality, and biological agents in the user's environment. It is a lightweight, discrete nanotech enabled device that seamlessly integrates with the app. Z-Wave technology creates a secure Z-Wave mesh network among the user and the surrounding atmosphere. It ensures low power, reliable communication between devices. Battery system can be made available with a replacement of battery life for a duration of 6 or 8 months. When the ring worn by the user, in case the sensor detects a threat around her presence, it automatically generates instant alerts on the user's phone, also provides signal to her parents and also to the nearest police station with the detailed information about the nature of threat, recommended actions and nearby safe zones. In this situation, the app can automatically trigger defined actions such as emergency services and sending users location. Also, Z-Wave technology tends to send safety measures to the user regarding the threat going to take place, as well the precautionary measures to adopt at that instant of time. Here is an algorithm which enhances the work of this app through advancement in technologies. This is the prototype of my work. Thank you.